finalist for this year? Wala na. Basi ang
Best English champion.
How about ang Kamsu? How about ang Valladolid? PNU Visayas? Magsaysay Extension? Or how about Julio Ledesma National High School? Okay, sige. Let's not make this any longer. Our champion for the best headless competition for this year's 21st Provincial Wildlife Month is Hiningalan Institute Incorporated. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Another one. Advancing. Let's give it up for Hiningalan Institute Incorporated. Once again, we would like to congratulate all academic institutions who has joined us this day. Okay, thank you very much. So, again, this event would not be possible without the help of our academic institutions, our partner agencies, and partner schools. Pero nagkakabatsakan mo lang ulba. No, kaya nabisan ko mo, tingin ko masign pagtulog, no, kasi seryoso na din. No? Pero okay.
Wala na, ano lang?
Yung malaki na, sige na. Ano na. Si Sean, taga-Denya School. NOHS. Okay. Except sa NOHS, hindi ko ano ang school ni Madabog.